Ever since I got my new hearing aids, I've been able to pick up sounds nobody else can. Tiny shuffles behind vending machines, the hum of streetlights, even the low static of my neighbor's television through two walls. But last night, while working late in my office at the university's genetics lab, something new crackled through the speakers nestled in my ears, a voice, twisted and trembling, that sounded exactly like mine. I froze, listening as it pleaded for help, the desperate words muffled by layers of static and what sounded like thick, wet walls. My first thought was feedback or some weird radio interference, but the voice kept calling, panic rising in its tone, and I realized it wasn't repeating like a recording, it was responding to me, mirroring every gasp, every nervous whisper I made. I tried turning off the aids, but the voice only grew clearer, as if it was burrowing deeper into my skull. Panicked, I ran diagnostics on the lab's equipment, checking for crossed signals or hidden microphones, but everything was normal. Then I remembered a project we'd been working on, experiments mapping brainwaves, trying to transmit thoughts through low-frequency sound. My supervisor had warned me not to test the prototype alone, but I'd been too eager. Now, listening closer, I could make out more voices, dozens of them overlapping, all with my cadence, all begging to be freed from somewhere impossibly close. The realization hit me as the lights flickered and the voices erupted into screams. Those weren't echoes or interference. They were fractured pieces of me, trapped in the frequencies I'd helped create, lost in the static between synapses and sound. As my own voice shrieked louder, I felt something pulling at my mind, dragging me into the noise. The last thing I heard before everything went silent was a chorus of my own cries, promising there was no way back.